How to fix CapCut lag on PC. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open the CapCut and open up your project. Now inside here, when your video lags, you will be able to find a full button right over here. Simply tap onto it. By default, it is set to original video resolution. You can simply change it to low quality. This only affects the preview inside the player and will not affect your export quality. Now, you need to go and simply deselect your video by clicking anywhere in the gray area of your timeline and then simply tap on this modify button. Click onto it. This opens your project settings. At the very top, you will be able to find performance. Tap onto it. And just like that, you can simply turn on proxy. For proxy resolution, you can simply choose 250p or 540p. And once you've done that, you can simply tap on save. This lowers your playback resolution so CapCut does not lag while editing. Now, the preview may look worse in the editor, but your exported video will stay full quality. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.